Hi everyone. Today we're doing 9 plus 9 and Raha is going to show us how she did it. So Raha, 9 plus 9. Let's make sure we have 9s here. So is there 9 here?
Yeah. So
Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So 5 plus 4
4
equals 9. And so we can do the same thing here, right? So that's 9 in green and then we have 9 in orange because 5 plus 4 equals 9. Okay, so let's start. I'm going to bring the first 9 up. And I'm going to put in the lines. I'm not taking anything away, so we still have 9, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so there's our 9. Now, I know, Raha, you like this, don't you? A little line, because you really like to show the 10.
Yeah.
Okay, what are you going to do?
I am gonna do the Raha splits.
Okay.
So I'm gonna split the 9 into 1.
Okay, so 1. And how many? So 9 into 1 and?
And 8.
And 8? Okay. Here, I'll help you. Okay, so we have 9 plus 1 equals 10.
10.
Plus 8 more.
Equals 18.
So there's 18 in total here. That was fun-tabulous. Hi everyone. Louie's going to tell us how he did 9 plus 9.
Yeah.
Tell us.
Well, first I added one of the ones from here.
So you changed the question?
Yeah.
Okay, so what did you do? You're going to...
Minus 1 from here.
Okay, so minus 1 from here. So look. Ooh.
And then add 1 there.
Yeah, that's what I did when I moved it over, was add 1. So then you ended up with 10
plus 8.
plus 8. Okay, can I just replace this so people can see the 10 really easily? So 10 of these, I'm going to just swap out for... Da, 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 da. There we go. So you changed the question to 10 plus 8, which is?
18.
Awesome. Great job, Lee.
Thanks. Bye.